This video focuses on adding your courses for sale on the CoursePond site. Log into the CoursePond site, click on the Seller Dashboard tab, and then click on the Add Course link at left. The first tab that appears is the Course Information tab. Enter the course name, one or more course categories, the number of seats, and a course code. To select multiple course categories, on a Windows machine, click and hold the Control key while selecting your categories. On a Mac machine, click and hold the Command key while selecting your categories. When entering the number of seats for your course, either enter the number of seats that are available for sale, or enter a high number of seats if you don't have a specific limit on the number of seats available. Remember that course codes must be unique. Click on the Tab key to check if your course code is unique. If the course code is available, you'll get the message "Course code available." If not, you'll get the message "Course code already exists," and the system will not be able to save your course. A tip when adding a course is to wait until you've gone through all the tabs and entered all your information before clicking on the Save button. This example shows you what happens when you click on the Save button on the Course Information tab without going on to the other tabs and filling out the information before saving. The system just moves you on to the Price tab to enter the other required information. Then you have to come back and enter the course descriptions and image later. Better just to move through the Add Course tabs and then click on the Save button once when you finish entering all course information. Having said that, let's go through the rest of the Add Course tabs. The Course Description tab asks for a course description as well as a course short description. It's good to have both of these ready in a Word document so that you can copy and paste these in when you get to this tab. The Control-C and Control-V shortcut keys on Windows or Command-C and Command-V on a Mac are great to use when you're copying and pasting. Again, let's not click on the Save button until we move through all the Add Course tabs. The Course Price tab allows you to enter your course price and any taxes in Canadian dollars. Again, let's not click on the Save button until we move through all the Add Course tabs. The Image tab allows you to upload a relevant image for your course that will display in the course catalog and course detail pages. You can take a photo or upload a photo from your system. I'd suggest having a photo ready to upload from your system. Now's the time to click the Save button to save all the information you've entered on your Add Course tabs. You'll notice after you've saved your course that the course price is not yet appearing. This is because you haven't yet published your course. To publish your course, go to the Seller Dashboard tab, click on the Courses link at left, then click on the red X button to the top right of your course. When you hover over the little red X, you'll see a Click to Publish tip. Click on the little red X to publish your course. Once your course is published, your course price will appear. Go to the Courses tab and select the drop-down Delivered By search option. Select your school from the drop-down list. Note that your new course does not yet appear under your school's listings. However, if you go to the Courses tab and search by the course name, you will see your course. When you add a new course to the CoursePond system, CoursePond administration receives an email saying that your course has been added. CoursePond administration then makes sure that all your course information is valid and available to those that need to see it. CoursePond will send you an email similar to the one shown here once your course has been validated and allocated to your school's listings. Once CoursePond has validated your course will show up under your school's listings. If you want to edit or delete a course, click on the Seller Dashboard tab, then the Courses link at left, and then the Edit or Delete button for the course that you want to edit or delete. Go to the How It All Works tab for more information about seller options or to find out more about how CoursePond can work for you.